Hello, everyone. This is module number 236 for the subject of strategic human resource management. And in this module, we will talk about the emergent or processual change or perspectives on change. I hope you people remember that in the last few modules, we were talking about the planned approaches to change or planned perspectives to change. And within the planned perspectives, we discussed about best practices models, and we discussed some analytical models. So, what is the emergent perspective about change? So, many have focused on how change can be actively planned and managed. Some people believe that just like anything we plan in our life, the change can be planned and the change can be managed. So you plan what is this current state and where you want to go and what you want to achieve. And simply, if you plan, you can execute the change management program or change design, and as a result, change will occur. However, on the other hand, some others have noted that the change often either emerges in an unplanned, non-linear way. So you have not planned, but because of the forces that are external to the organization, most of the times, and sometimes internal forces within the organization, they are actually forcing you to adapt some changes. So this is the emergent perspective on the change management or change design programs that organizations adapt, organizations follow, they learn, and they have a feeling and the sense of, or they have the intuition, the people in the organization, that yes, it is the time to change, or and it is the right time to change, or there is no need for any change. So, emergent processes or the emergent perspective on change suggests that the pressure from the external environment will force you to change. So, you see that the change is thus seen as an open ended process of adaptation and learning. You adapt to, for example, you might have realized that when it's a winter, many birds or the species, they travel from one continent to another continent, one country to another country. So they are actually adapting for the purpose of survival. So similarly, organizations are living beings because the human side of the organization, or because it comprises human in the organization, or comprised of humans in the organization. So as a result, in order to survive, people will adapt. People will adapt to the new structure. People will adapt to the new culture, or people will adapt to the new technology because of the external pressure. All other competitors or other organizations within the industry, if they are adapting or they are changing, so you also have to change. For example, in the current state of affairs, COVID 19 is impacting, or you may see this COVID 19 has a significant impact on the academic institutions and on the other businesses. So now you see that it was not planned, but now organizations are adapting. So this is a very typical example of emergent perspective, that it is very hard to plan a change. It is very hard to forecast what is going to happen in future. Rather, it is an emergent and a processual perspective that you need to now change. So as a result, you see that organizations, those never taught, particularly academic institutions, schools and colleges and universities, they were reluctant to adapt online teaching. Now, most of the institutions who can afford and who have the capacity, following the Kaleidoscope model, who have the capacity to transform their teaching modules and from face-to-face teaching to online teaching, they have adapted it, they have embraced it. So similarly, the emergent approach suggests that organizations need to enhance their general readiness to change. This is what I have just talked in the past modules, that emergent processes are suggesting that, or emergent perspective on the change suggests that you must be ready for change. Very simple and in the straightforward manners for the organization. It is quite important those organizations will survive who are ready for the change, because external factors are not in your control. For example, what your competitors do or will do in future, can you control that? Obviously not. You cannot control your competitors. What about your customers if they start switching from your products or your company to another products or another company? What about the advancement in technology? Can you control everything? Obviously, you cannot control anything. So, as with these things change, it will force you to change, and you can only change if you are ready for change. And when you are, and how you can be ready for change, so you need to be ready for change in terms of capacity, in terms of resources, in terms of technology, in terms of people attitude and behavior, in terms of training. So you say, okay, we are ready. We can adapt to the new things as soon as possible, and there is no harm in it. Our people can do that. So this is one of the perspective which we call emergent perspective on change. Thanks.